Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to put in RAM. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage. Next, ensure your computer is completely powered down and all cables are unplugged for your safety. Finally, carefully open your computer case by removing the side panel screws, giving you access to the internal components. Now that your case is open, locate the RAM slots on your motherboard. They are typically long, narrow slots situated near the central processing unit. Most motherboards feature either 2 or 4 RAM slots. To prepare for installation, gently push down the small clips located at each end of the RAM slot, which will release them and allow you to insert the new memory module. With the slots ready, take your new RAM module and carefully align the small notch on its bottom edge with the corresponding key in the RAM slot. This ensures correct orientation. Then, apply firm, even pressure to both ends of the module simultaneously until you hear or feel the small clip snap securely into place. Confirm that both clips are fully engaged and the RAM is seated flush. Before closing up, take a moment to double-check that all your new RAM modules are firmly seated and the clips are fully engaged. Once confirmed, carefully close your computer case and securely reconnect all the necessary cables, including power and peripherals. Finally, power on your computer and verify in your system settings that the new RAM is correctly recognized and functioning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.